Welcome back to Drive Future, where we explore the machines shaping tomorrow. And today we're diving into something truly groundbreaking, the new Lamborghini Lanzador 2026, an all-electric beast that has shocked the world and redefined what a Lamborghini can be in the electric era. This is not just another EV, this is Lamborghini's bold statement that performance, emotion, and extreme design can thrive without combustion. From the very first glance, the Lanzador looks like it arrived from the future, combining the aggression of a supercar with the presence of a high-performance grand tourer sitting in a unique cushion carer sitting. The sharp angles, muscular surfaces, and dramatic proportions instantly tell you this is a Lamborghini, yet unlike anything we've ever seen before from the brand. The exterior design of the Lanzador is absolutely striking, with a low and wide stance, massive wheels, and an elevated ride height that hints at versatility without compromising performance. The front end features razor-sharp LED lighting with Lamborghini's signature Y-shaped design, giving the car an intimidating and futuristic face. Aerodynamics play a major role here, with active elements designed to optimize airflow for both efficiency and high-speed stability. The sculpted body lines are not just for show, they guide air smoothly across the vehicle, improving range while enhancing downforce when pushed hard. At the rear, the aggressive diffuser, sleek taillights, and bold stance remind you that despite being electric, this machine carries the DNA of raging bulls. Step inside the Lamborghini Lanzador 2026 and you're greeted by a cockpit that feels more like a fighter jet than a traditional car interior. The cabin is designed around the driver with a minimalist yet ultra-futuristic layout that focuses on control, immersion, and digital precision. High-quality, sustainable materials are used throughout, showcasing Lamborghini's commitment to innovation without sacrificing luxury. The seats are sporty and sculpted, providing excellent support while remaining comfortable for longer journeys. A fully digital instrument cluster and advanced infotainment system dominate the dashboard, delivering real-time performance data, navigation, and vehicle settings with stunning graphics and responsiveness. One of the most exciting aspects of the Lanzador is its electric powertrain, which represents Lamborghini's vision for the future of performance. While exact final specifications may evolve, the concept showcases a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup that delivers instant torque and breathtaking acceleration. This electric configuration allows the Lanzador to launch with incredible force, pushing you back into your seat the moment you touch the accelerator. The power delivery is smooth yet ferocious, offering precise control whether you're cruising through the city or attacking a winding mountain road. Lamborghini has engineered the Lanzador to deliver an emotional driving experience, proving that electric does not mean boring. The battery technology in the Lanzador is designed to support both high performance and practical usability. Advanced energy management systems ensure optimal efficiency, allowing the car to deliver impressive range without compromising its thrilling nature. Fast charging capabilities mean less time plugged in and more time driving, making the Lanzador suitable not just for short adrenaline-filled blasts but also for longer journeys. Lamborghini has focused on maintaining balance and weight distribution, placing the battery pack strategically to enhance handling and stability. Driving dynamics are where the Lanzador truly shines, with advanced suspension systems and intelligent torque vectoring that adapt to different driving modes and road conditions. Whether you're looking for a comfortable daily drive or an aggressive performance setup, the Lanzador adjusts seamlessly to match your mood. The steering is precise and responsive, delivering excellent feedback and confidence behind the wheel. With its elevated stance compared to traditional supercars, the Lanzador also introduces a new level of versatility, allowing drivers to enjoy performance driving without constantly worrying about road imperfections. Technology and safety are deeply integrated into the Lanzador's design, featuring cutting-edge driver assistance systems that enhance confidence without taking away from the driving experience. Advanced sensors, cameras, and intelligent software work together to provide features like adaptive cruise control, lane assistance, and collision avoidance, all tuned to Lamborghini's performance-oriented philosophy. The infotainment system supports seamless connectivity, voice control, and over-the-air updates, ensuring the car remains up-to-date long after it leaves the factory. What makes the Lamborghini Lanzador 2026 truly special is what it represents for the future of the brand. This car is not just about going electric, it's about redefining what a Lamborghini can be in a changing automotive world. It proves that sustainability and performance can coexist, and that electrification can enhance, rather than replace, the emotion that drivers expect from a Lamborghini. The Lanzador opens the door to a new generation of enthusiasts who want cutting-edge technology, bold design, and extreme performance in one package. As we look ahead, The Lamborghini Lanzador stands as a powerful symbol of innovation, courage, and evolution. It challenges expectations, breaks boundaries, and sets a new benchmark for electric performance vehicles. Whether you are a die-hard Lamborghini fan or simply passionate about the future of cars, the Lanzador is impossible to ignore. If this is the direction Lamborghini is heading, the electric future is going to be loud, thrilling, and unforgettable. Thanks for watching Drive Future, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into the Lamborghini Lanzador 2026, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more future-defining machines coming your way.